Hi, dear Taurus. A very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. I don't. Oh my God, a line. Okay, yeah. Keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. Okay, so if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono, that is the best healing modality of the whole universe, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, you will get the link in the description box, and for one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots. Link in the description. If there is any doubt or query, you can mail me on tarotanjali@gmail.com or on the modern sannyasini@gmail.com. Every detail is given in the description box. You can check out the box. Let's see the person that we have no contact or no communication with. Their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see, Taurus. We have the King of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, the Sun card. This is someone who is crystal clear in their energies. So this is the King of Swords, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Sun card in their feelings for you. So this is someone who is crystal clear in their energies. They feel like they should put in the effort and energy in this direction because you really make them happy. You are the one person who keeps them very happy, who makes them very happy, and you take care of them like a kid. So they get motherly kind of love from you, motherly kind of love and care from your side. Even if you are male or female, doesn't matter, but they definitely feel like they should connect with you, and they're very sure that they have to put in the effort and energy from their side in order to make this connection work out, because they really messed up in the past, and now they feel like they should come towards you with clean energies and understanding of they have to put in the effort and energy. This person is having other options too, but they're highly disappointed with those options. Let's see what this person wants from you. Like, after testing water with other people as well, now they feel like you are the best person, or you're the best option they ever had, or they're ever going to have in their life. They want another shot, another chance. Clear cut energy of wanting you to forgive them, wanting you to forgive whatever happened between you guys. They want to take some kind of action in this direction and clear the air with you as passionately, as quickly as they can. So they want to clear the air with you. They want to have back and forth communication with you, heart to heart communication with you, face to face communication with you, in order to sort it out with you as deeply as possible from their side. This is somebody who is waking up to a new reality, waking up to a new truth. That Taurus, they lost Taurus for good this time, and Taurus is never coming back. And now they're coming back to their senses. Okay, I should do something about it because Taurus is literally gone out of my life. Wow, they want another shot with you, another chance with you, and they're ready to answer all the questions you have regarding the situation, or you had at some point of time. They were not ready before. Still, this person is highly unstable in their energies. Still, I'm not seeing this person as stable energy or concrete or grounded energy. Sorry to say that, honey. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, till the 22nd of December, Taurus. We have the Emperor, the Four of Wands, the Queen of Wands. Oh God, they are daydreaming about this whole situation, whole relationship. I don't see them taking any kind of action in this direction. I do see them daydreaming about this situation all the time, regarding marrying you, regarding having a stable relationship with you, happily ever after kind of deal with you. They're planning and plotting in their mind all the time, but they're not doing anything about it on a physical level. They're like, okay, let me think about it, let me think about it, let me daydream about it. Wow, Taurus is beautiful, we have a beautiful connection together, we are living our happily ever after. But when it comes to the like taking action kind of part from their side, nothing. They're like, they don't know what they should do. They want the forgiveness. They want you back. They want to marry you, have a family with you. They are daydreaming about it constantly, but they don't know what to do about it. So they are just keeping their energies to themselves. And guess what? Even if you are going to approach them, they are going to behave like they don't care about the situation. So let them come to you if you are waiting for them. I don't know if they're ever going to come back or not, but don't move from your side. Guidance, yeah, Page of Swords. Before saying yes or no to this situation, Learn each and everything about this particular person or situation. Learn each and everything as deeply as you can, because this person, even if you know this person from 10 years, they're not the same person as you left them. A lot of things changed. I'm telling you, this person is still keeping their options open, and you are the best shot they ever had or they are ever going to have. If they are going to get you, fine. If they're not going to get you, they're going to try with somebody else, because this person's energies are not still very stable or grounded, or oh my god, I love Taurus so much. No, not that. Because you are the best option they had, and they ever have. Okay, they are ever going to have in this lifetime. That is where this person wants to come back around, not because of love or because of oh my god, Taurus is my soulmate or something. I'm sorry to say that, honey, this is the truth of the situation. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.